why is this frog looking so puffy? It was trying to show off, but ended up looking like the cutest little marshmallow. Alright, little peeps, let's start with our bloated frog's body. Draw a spiral that looks like a circle, but with a twist. We need that, so we can give our froggy friend some big, friendly eyes. And don't forget to add little dots inside for the sparkle. Then, it's time to gear up our frog for a hopscotch challenge. So, let's give our cute little frog some back legs. And don't forget the front legs. How else will our bloated buddy catch a fly or give us a high five? And before our froggy friend can bounce off the page, let's scribble it with a marker to make sure it's ready for that challenge. With each line in detail, our frog's coming to play, ready to leap and hop into a fun-filled day. After sketching the belly line and front legs too, our frog's getting ready for a leap or two. Using our marker, let's outline the rear legs with flair, so our froggy's all set for leaps and jumps in the air. Did you know? Frogs are quite awesome and slick. They breathe through their skin. That's a neat trick. With these big shiny eyes, it's like peeking into a window that reveals our froggy's joyful heart. Speaking of peeking, it's time to choose some fantastic colors for our froggy friend. Take a peek at how amazing my creation turned out. Here it is. And for more peep-tastic free videos like this, hop on over to scribblepeeps.com. Bye.